Today we will see new chapter, trigonometric function. In this chapter there is a trigonometric equations, solution of trigonometric equations, solution of triangle, and inverse trigonometric function. That is, T is denoted by the trigonometric E for equation. In this chapter we see trigonometric equations, its solutions, solution of triangle and inverse trigonometric function. To see the trigonometric equations or solution of triangle or inverse trigonometric functions, we first see the formulas. That is, we learned in 11th standard. That is, we take the formulas from the beginning. That is, first, by the definition of trigonometric function. What is the definition of trigonometric functions? Therefore, we take angle theta in a standard position and length AOB is a measure of angle theta in a standard position. P, length of OP is R. Then coordinates of P is denoted by x, y. Then we denote the trigonometric functions. First, cos theta is equal to x upon R. Sin theta is equal to y upon R. And tan theta is sin upon cos and therefore y upon x. Now if we take R is equal to 1, length OP is equal to R, and if we take the length OP is equal to 1, then the trigonometric functions are denoted by cos theta is equal to x, sin theta is equal to 1, and therefore tan theta is y upon x, x is not equal to 0. Then sec theta is the reciprocal of cos, cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. We know these 6 trigonometric functions of trigonometric functions are cos theta, sin, tan, sec, cosec and cot. And is the interrelation between the sec and cos. These are the reciprocal of each other. Cosec and sin are also reciprocal to each other. Cot and tan are reciprocal to each other. Now next we see signs of trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functionच्या आपण signs पाहणार. Signs of trigonometric functions. That is, in the first quadrant. You know, the first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. In first quadrant, all positive. All positive. कारण काय? First quadrant it is made from positive x-axis, positive y-axis. X is positive, that is cos theta positive. Y positive means sin theta positive. Sin cos positive, therefore tan positive. Sec, cosec are the reciprocal of cos and sin. They are also positive. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan and therefore cot theta is also positive. That is, in first quadrant, all positive. Now we have second quadrant. Second quadrant it is made from negative x-axis, positive y-axis. Negative x, that is cos theta negative, positive y. Y is a positive and therefore y it is denoted by the sin theta. Sin theta is a positive. Sin theta positive. And therefore reciprocal of sin, that is cosec theta is positive. Cos theta, that is value of cos theta is x. X is negative. Cos theta negative. Sec theta negative. Cos negative. Sin positive. Therefore tan negative. And cot is negative. That is positive sign. And its by x positive, that is cos theta positive, and cos theta and its reciprocal is positive, remaining are all negative, and therefore we denote this as sin. कसे denote करता येतील? Therefore we denote this as all sin tan cos, or we take this as idea as all students take a copy. Now next we see sin theta is positive, that is in second quadrant. Second quadrant can be written in second quadrant as first quadrant. It is we denote the angles in the radian, not 90. We denote this as a pi by 2. It is a pi, that is 180 degree, 3 pi by 2. And this way we denote the first quadrant. First quadrant कसा लिहिता है? Pi by 2 minus theta, or it is again a 2 pi plus theta. Second quadrant can be denoted by pi by 2 plus theta, or pi minus theta, pi minus or pi by 2 plus. Now third quadrant can be written as pi plus theta or 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Fourth quadrant is 2 pi minus theta or 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Now we see here allied angles, that is sin theta साठी आपण बघूया. Sin theta is a positive in first and second quadrant. Sin theta is a positive in first and second quadrant. Therefore we denote this as a sin theta. Theta is a lies between 0 to 90 degree or pi by 2. Then sin theta is equal to sin pi minus theta. Allied angle साठी formulas आपण कसे तयार केले? Sin of pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin of pi minus pi is 2 times of 90, that is even time of 90. We don't change the trigonometric function. Sin as it is, and 2 times 90, and therefore even function असेल तर आपण sin as it is लिहितो sin theta. Therefore sin of pi minus theta is the sin theta, and remaining quadrant in a third and fourth quadrant, sin of third quadrant is a pi plus theta. Sin of 2 pi minus theta, its value is as in a third and fourth quadrant sin theta is a negative, and therefore sin of pi plus theta is sin of 2 pi minus theta. Its value is a negative, and here its value is a positive. Similar, sin theta जसं लिहितात तसंच cos आणि tan साठी आपण लिहू शकतो. In a first cos theta साठी लिहूया आपण cos theta is equal to, cos theta is positive in first and fourth quadrant. Therefore cos theta is equal to cos 2 pi minus theta. Positive, इथे व्हॅल्यू असते पॉझिटिव्ह. निगेटिव्ह कुठे कुठे येईल? सेकंड अँड थर्ड. सेकंड क्वाड्रंट कसा लिहिता येईल? पाय मायनस थीटा, पाय प्लस थीटा. इट्स व्हॅल्यू इज अ निगेटिव्ह. आपण फक्त पाय प्लस, पाय मायनस, 2 पाय मायनस, 2 पाय प्लस असेच क्वाड्रंट घेतले. इफ वी टेक दिस ॲज, इफ वी टेक cos pi by 2 plus theta, then its value is changes. It is odd time of 90, odd time of 90. Then trigonometric function is changes. Cos का लिहावा लागेल sin, sin चा cos. त्याप्रमाणे इथे ही व्हॅल्यू cos चा कन्वर्ट होईल sin. Pi by 2 minus theta, that is second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin positive, cos ची value negative, and therefore the value of this is a minus. म्हणजेच तुम्हाला आहे या फंक्शन मधून आहे ह्याच फंक्शन मध्ये जर राहायचं असेल तर तुम्हाला अँगल्स हे या पद्धतीतलेच घ्यायला हवे. जर तुम्ही ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन बदलणार असाल, चेंज करायचे असतील ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, साइनचा कॉस, कॉसचा साइन, टॅनचा कॉट, कॉटचा टॅन, सेकचा कोसेक आणि कोसेकचा सेक, तर तुम्ही पाय बाय 2 मायनस थीटा, पाय बाय 2